let us see how you can locally run your project without using build and run from Unity directly. So the first step is you have to install Python. So you can just simply go search for Python online and download it from here, and it would install Python in your system. Okay, so one thing you need to remember is that whenever you are building your project, you just have to always keep the compression off, otherwise you won't be able to run it locally from your system. And that's all. You just build your project from there, and finally you would be into a folder where you have your builds. So if I show you, go to my project. So here, if you check out, I have this build folder, okay, where the index.html file is there. So what I need to do is I just need to open terminal here, and since I have installed Python, I can check it and it would show me, okay, this is the version which I want it to work with. Okay, so I just open it in terminal again, and there is this command which you need to type. Okay, and it would start your project and host your project on this localhost 8000. And now if you go to this localhost, you would be able to see it's loading properly. And here it is, our project. Now, so test it in the browser without a headset. It's particularly helpful for those who don't have a headset. You can use this plugin from Meta, which is Immersive Web Emulator. So you can go to this Microsoft store to add this browser add-on. I've already added it in my web browser, so you can see it here. So it's provided by Meta, as I said. So what you can do is you can just go to inspect. So you can press Ctrl Shift I, and here click on this plus tab if you do not see WebXR already, and click on WebX. Okay, so what you can do is, so if you see, check this out. On the left pane is there left controller, right controller is there. So you can control these controllers virtually from this these panes, and then your headset and your controller positions and rotations, all these things you can change it from here. So if you go into VR mode now, and you see, like if I'm moving this, see, it's moving my head up and down. If I'm moving it left or right, it's like that. And also I guess mouse touch is also enabled. So yeah, see, I'm able to move it through my mouse also. So it's right controller is working here fine, snap turn is there, different things are there. So you can just manipulate and test your stuff here and check it out before building. Okay, so yeah, that's how you test it from your browser using your local host.